When your Milwaukee M12 charger shows no lights or displays flashing red and green error signals, systematic troubleshooting can often identify and fix the problem. Start with basic troubleshooting steps. Ensure the battery pack is fully seated in the charger. Remove and reinsert the battery to ensure proper contact. Unplug the charger and remove the battery for at least 2 minutes to reset the charging circuit. Before checking internal components, safety is critical. Unplug the charger and wait 3 to 4 minutes to allow internal capacitors to discharge. This prevents electrical shock and protects both you and your test equipment. Milwaukee M12 chargers contain two main fuses. F1 is the AC line fuse that protects the input circuit. F2 is the DC output protection fuse. Use a battery-operated multimeter to check continuity across each fuse. No continuity indicates a blown fuse that needs replacement. When replacing blown fuses, pay attention to the type designation. An F prefix indicates a fast blow fuse, while T indicates a slow blow fuse. Always match the exact specifications. While you can temporarily jump a fuse with wire, proper replacement is the best practice for safety and reliability. These initial checks and fuse testing resolve many Milwaukee M12 charger issues. If fuses are intact, the next step involves voltage testing and battery revival techniques. If the fuses check out fine, the next step is voltage testing. Use a multimeter to check both the battery voltage and the charger's output voltage. Individual cell imbalances within the battery pack can prevent proper charging. Check the voltage of each cell group to identify any significant imbalances. If a battery is deeply discharged, the charger might not recognize it. You can try jump starting by connecting a good battery to the dead one for a short period to raise the voltage enough for the charger to detect it. Safety is critical when working with chargers. They contain high voltage components that can be dangerous. Always unplug the charger and allow capacitors to discharge before opening the case. If you're not comfortable working with electronics, seek professional help. Remember that any repairs may void your warranty, so consider the cost versus replacement before proceeding. By systematically checking voltage levels, attempting battery revival techniques when appropriate, and following proper safety procedures, you can diagnose and potentially repair your Milwaukee M12 charger. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed.